Many people and many doctors think that testosterone shot or testosterone injection is the ultimate cure for many sexual disorders. I too was amongst them few years back when I started my practice as sexologist and psychiatrist. And then after 2 years of practice, I read various books and articles related to this topic that changed my thinking and practice altogether. Hi, my name is Dr. Atul Dhage. I am consultant psychiatrist and sexologist practicing at Mindcare Hospital for Mental and Sexual Health, Ratnagiri. I am very much happy that I am invited to give talk and share my knowledge and experience related to this topic, that is testosterone use in sexual disorder, its use, benefits and risks at Parag Patil Memorial Sexual Medicine Workshop. This is a conference cum workshop organized by International Association of Sexual Medicine Practitioners Modern Medicine at Orchid Hotel, Mumbai on 27, 28 and 29th of May. Many stalwarts in sexology will be sharing their experiences on different topics related to sexual medicine practice. It's not workshop, it's a basic sexual medicine course. So hurry up, book your seat today. Contact International Association of Sexual Medicine Practitioner Modern Medicine on the contact number given on the screen. Thank you very much for your time. See you there. Till then, goodbye. Take care.